So we have here the Surface Slim Pen 2 and also the lovely Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio. So I have the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, 32GB of RAM and 1TB hard drive, and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti GPU. It is a beautiful box. It is actually quite heavy. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. I love these little pull tab things. Thank you, Microsoft. What we get in the box. This is probably all the little documentation. Oh, that's how you do all the cool stuff that this laptop does. And this must be the charging brick. If I can get it out. Cord, and that's that lovely Surface connector. Yes. We'll put that to the side for now. It really fits on there. Go with the Surface Slim Pen 2. How do I get in here? I guess you have to rip the box. Oh, look at that, it's so cute. Now apparently, oh, that's documentation. So apparently this actually goes in and charges and then connects as well, and then it's ready to use. And there it is. It's actually it's very light, like very light. I've got quite small hands, so it's pretty good for my hands. I don't know, yeah, other people may differ with their experience. All right, main event. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Wait for my camera to refocus. There we go. Oh, very nice. Very nice indeed. And it's auto turn on? Well, I may make room on my desk for my new toy, and we'll be back. So everyone's been talking about the sort of like pedestal that this laptop sits on, and to tell you the truth, my camera won't focus now. Like, you can barely see it, you know, like when you're like looking at it. I need a new camera. But yeah, it's, oh, this trackpad. Oh, so good. Let's quickly connect to my network. Okay, this keyboard is fantastic. It's like each of your fingers has its own little cloud, and it's like so nice. So nice. So of course we have the controversial Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, and on the other side we have the headphone jack, which is there, which I like, and the Surface Connect port, which is charging. Unfortunately, they didn't give us a big enough charger. So I always tend to have two chargers anyway, one for my bag and one just at my desk. So I'll probably buy the bigger charger off the intranets. but also with the USB-C, it's not really a problem for me. I'll just go grab. Okay, so I've had these little guys for ages. And what they are is, it's like a dongle all in one. So they've got this little thing, and that is a normal USB port. And then if you slide it the other way, it's a USB-C. So my PC case has USB-C ports, and I use them, and my old laptop had USB-A. And so if I really need to transfer files through, each computer to a USB-A port, then it doesn't really matter. These things are really awesome. Awesomely great. But in saying that, I hardly ever use this anyway, because everything's on the cloud these days. Okay, while this sets up, I'm gonna leave you guys and we'll come back. Okay, I just had to show you this before we go. It's so cool.